Seekers of wisdom, to the path less traveled, the path of the Stoic, the path of the indomitable spirit. In a world plagued by chaos, confusion, and relentless internal storms, we, the disciples of ancient wisdom, stand united in our pursuit of a profound tranquility that transcends the ephemeral nature of our mortal existence. Habit 1. Embrace the dichotomy of control. In the words of the revered Stoic philosopher Epictetus, some things are within our power, while others are not. This fundamental truth, etched into the fabric of Stoicism, compels us to relinquish our futile grip on the uncontrollable and instead focus our energies on mastering the art of self-control. By accepting the dichotomy of control, we liberate ourselves from the chains of anxiety and pave the way for a resilient, unshakable mind. Habit 2. Morning contemplation. As the first rays of dawn break, embrace the solitude of the early hours to engage in a profound dialogue with your inner self. Marcus Aurelius, the Stoic emperor, once mused, "Very little is needed to make a happy life. It is all within yourself, in your way of thinking." Let these moments be the crucible where you forge the mindset that will carry you through the trials of the day. Habit 3. The Stoic pause. In the face of adversity, we, the architects of our fate, pause. Seneca, the Stoic philosopher, implores us to collect your thoughts and see what each thing is at its true nature. This sacred pause grants us the power to respond, not react, to discern the rational from the emotional, thereby overcoming destructive emotions that seek to enthrall us. Habit 4. The virtuous breath. Draw a breath deep into your being, for in that breath resides the essence of virtue. In every inhalation, let the virtues of wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance infuse your soul. The Stoic breath is a sacred ritual, a manifestation of our commitment to embodying the highest virtues in the face of life's tumultuous currents. Habit 5. Gratitude unveil. In the midst of chaos, unveil the hidden tapestry of gratitude. As the Stoic sage Epictetus once proclaimed, he is a wise man who does not grieve for the things which he has not, but rejoices for those which he has. The practice of gratitude transforms our perception, allowing us to find solace in the simplicity of the present moment. Habit 6. Memento mori. In the shadow of mortality, remember that you are but a fleeting ember in the vast expanse of time. The Stoic sage Seneca whispers to us, "Let us prepare our minds as if we'd come to the very end of life." Embrace the inevitability of your own mortality, for in that acceptance lies the liberation to live fully, authentically, and without fear. Habit 7. The Stoic brotherhood. United in our pursuit of wisdom, we form a brotherhood of Stoics. Drawing strength from the collective consciousness, we share in each other's triumphs and tribulations. As the Roman statesman and Stoic philosopher Cato declared, "He who stands with me in battle shall be my brother." In the Stoic brotherhood, we find solace and inspiration to endure the storms of life. Habit 8. The Stoic journal. Inscribe your thoughts upon the sacred pages of your Stoic journal. In the words of Epictetus, we have 2 ears and 1 mouth so that we can listen twice as much as we speak. Reflect upon your actions, confront your fears, and chart the course of your evolution. The Stoic journal becomes the mirror to our souls, reflecting the journey from chaos to tranquility. Habit 9. The art of detachment. In the theater of life, detach yourself from the ephemeral dramas that unfold. Seneca, the master of resilience, reminds us, true happiness is to enjoy the present without anxious dependence upon the future. By cultivating a spirit of detachment, we become architects of our own serenity, unfazed by the transient storms that assail us. Habit 10, the Stoic legacy. As we tread the Stoic path, let us be mindful of the legacy we weave for future generations. Like the Stoic philosopher Epictetus, whose teachings endured through time, let our actions echo through the ages, inspiring others to forge their destinies with fortitude, wisdom, and unwavering self-control. In the crucible of these 10 Stoic habits, we find the alchemy to transmute chaos into tranquility, weakness into strength, and despair into enduring resilience. Brothers, on this sacred journey, let us walk the Stoic path with heads held high, for in the crucible of Stoicism, we emerge as masters of our minds, architects of our fate, and champions of a tranquility that transcends the tumultuous seas of life. As we stand united, let the flame of Stoicism illuminate the darkest corners of our existence, guiding us towards the uncharted realms of inner strength, purpose, and profound serenity. The Stoic spirit beckons us, the journey awaits,